But Shreyansi, on that note, also take us through what commodities are up to.
Well, absolutely. When you take a look at oil prices, not much is happening, at least in terms of the price levels, but lots is happening in terms of factors, because you do have concerns easing about the fallout from the overthrow of Syria's president, while the market also found support from Chinese stimulus that also could boost demand from the world's biggest crude buyer. So that is something that we're looking at in terms of factors. Then when you take a look at Brent, then you're looking at a rise of just about 5 cents coming in for Brent. $72 per barrel is where that one has been at, in fact, for the most of this week. And US WTI as well, just a 22-cent gain coming in. For that one, $68 per barrel is where that one was also at, and both benchmarks, mind you, had risen more than 1% on Monday. Those are the kind of levels that we had seen coming in for both of these benchmarks. In Syria, though, in terms of the factors, you do have rebels that were working to form a government and also restore order after the ousting of President Bashar al-Assad, with the country's banks as well as oil sector set to resume work on Tuesday. So you do have that being an important factor. Along with that, there is of course oil prices that could be receiving a boost if the US Federal Reserve comes through with an expected 25 basis point cut to interest rates when it meets over December 17 to 18. Now, Syria is not an important supplier by any stretch of the imagination, but it is very important when it comes to that particular region. It's important because there could be a wave of uncertainty, instability that could be triggered by this particular ouster of the government, and that is definitely something that the oil markets are looking at very closely.